Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Art Project. We're going to do a little sketchbook review, or tour, not review. We're going to do a little sketchbook tour this morning. First of all, I'd like to apologize for being out of commission for a few weeks now. Haven't made a video in a while, so I'm trying to get back to it a little bit, although I'm about to go out of town again, so it might be a little bit longer. I don't know. Anyway, this is sketchbook number 20. It's a little flashback to 2006. So, first of all, it's covered with stickers. Some of the stickers I made myself. Some of them I bought. Just different stickers. On the inside, we have more stickers and journaling and ink. Oh, and spray paint. This is all spray paint. I think I covered up a picture I didn't like right here. Maybe. I don't know. Yep. And then more notes and more ink and more journaling and more spray paint and ink. I used to be a lot more experimental in my sketchbooks back in 2006. This is some more ink. I wasn't really heavy into ink up until, not even after this. Like, after this I went back to drawing and regular paint and stuff like that. But now, fast forward, 14 years, I'm using a lot more inks again. This is strips of paper. Like, this is a piece of paper glued in. So this has all been painted with acrylic paint, and then a scrap of paper and another scrap of paper that had acrylic paint on it glued in. These are photocopies of some pictures of guns or printouts or something like that. A child from Compassion that we used to adopt. More journaling, more stickers, more practice. This is a photocopy. This is the drawing that I did of the photocopy. These are some trees that I saw that I thought looked kind of like people, and I drew the trees and then I made them look a little more like people. Stapler I drew. More ink. This is a drawing of a house, or actually a storefront, I think, in the Villages, Florida. And more stuff. More stuff. This is like one of my first cell phones. It's a little watercolor landscape. Flowers I drew. I grew my hair out really long one time, and then I cut it off. Just drawings, ideas, a box with a sliding lid. These are like little drawings of boxes that I was planning on making out of like scrap wood. I don't think I ever got around to making this particular box. Drawing people. More sketches. Drawing a squirrel. Some ideas for some graffiti. Some ideas for wall pockets made out of clay, maybe wood. People drawing, more people drawing. Just little patterns. This pattern was made with masking fluid. I think I drew it lightly, then I filled in the area with, I don't know, maybe it was tape or masking fluid, and then I went over it with coffee. Drawing with some screws. If you haven't had Jones, you need some Jones. Jones root beer, Jones Soda Company, good stuff. More journaling, more journaling. This is a picture of my baby when she was just a little peanut. Handicap accessible with a mohawk. A little watercolor seascape. Another little watercolor seascape. Actually, I'm sorry, this is watercolor, but this is spray paint. And this is ballpoint pen, I think. Seascape. Spray paint. I need to do some more of those. My baby again. This is 2006. She was born in November of 2006. Here is some ideas for some pottery that I was thinking about making. My wife's a potter, and so I was thinking about doing that. Little watercolor landscape, or acrylic maybe. Yeah, I think this is acrylic paint. More stuff. Little acrylic landscape. So I think all of this stuff took place after we were trying to put our house back together from Katrina, right? Hurricane Katrina hit, our house was in disarray, and so a lot of this is written and drawn while we were still trying to repair. This is a band called Project 86. You can see I got the sticker on the front. I'm a big fan of Project 86. Went to their concert, got my picture taken with them. Yep. More journaling. More journaling ideas. My little peanut getting bigger. And I do believe that is it. A little pocket in the back. Let's see what's in the pocket. Oh, some stencils. More stencils. Forgot about these stencils. And floor plan of my house. Let's see what else. Anything else? Nope. I believe that is all. Well, friends, that was just a quick trip through my sketchbook. Hope you enjoyed it. This was from, as I said, February 28th, 2006 to May 24th, 2006, number 20. I'll try and put up sketchbook number 21 pretty soon. If y'all aren't making art, y'all need to get out there and make some art. I know I need to. Talk to you later.